Everyone, this is Domingo with you today from the main channel. Hope you're doing fantastic, and welcome to Money Making Monday. That's right, this is a segment where I'm going to upload a video that tells you how to make money on Mondays. I've already covered a few videos already on this main channel, like how to make money using QMe and user testing. One of the things that we're going to cover today is called Curious Cat. So we enter Curious Cat, and when you sign up, it gives you these tasks. Each task is worth a certain number of points, 31 up to 113. You need a minimum of 100 points to cash out. I have 147, and I'm able to cash out $2.40. If you have more points, you get more money. So what you do is you go to the three lines here, and then you select Tasks. And it gives you the tasks that are available in this circular tab on the left. It shows the 4 tasks or more tasks. And this also shows you the tasks that you've already started. And this shows the tasks that you've completed. Now, there will be times when you will fail the tasks a lot because you may not make the requirements of the survey or you don't have the right answers and they reject you. So that's the thing. It's not easy money per se, but if you do get a survey and if you do get points, you can cash out. You don't get rich off of this app, but this is one way that you can make some money. And like I said, you have to have a minimum of 100 points. So you select your task, and then what you do is you press start, and then you start your survey. Now, I won't show you a survey because all the surveys are different here, and I'm not allowed to show you the surveys because of confidentiality. So that is how you start it. It's a pretty simple app to use. You just download the Curious Cat app on your smartphone, sign up for it, and you're good to go. And then you can decide to cash out by pressing the cash out button, pressing PayPal, and then you can cash out. And then it shows your transactions here. So I made 2 transactions here. So $9.51 the first time. When you have up to 500 points, that's almost $9. If you have up to 300 points, you have about $5. So let's say you have like 700 points. I'm just looking at almost $20. So you do make money off of this app if you do the surveys, and then you can also invite friends. So I'll send you an invite code in the description below so that way you can check it out. And you go into your settings, shows your accounts, and you're good to go. So that's it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.